CBS Cyclone, Monday, March 3rd, 2025. A bit to talk about, so let's get right down to business. Alfred is a Category 1 tropical cyclone with 60-mile-an-hour sustained winds, threatening Australia. Yesterday, when I recorded, Alfred was expected to hit Australia as a tropical low. Now it's saying a developed tropical cyclone. It's saying Alfred will strengthen a little bit, then start weakening, and then make landfall in Australia with 50-mile-an-hour sustained winds. Hond has 50-mile-an-hour sustained winds. It's just been downgraded to a tropical storm and is expected to stay the same intensity over the next 2 days before weakening and eventually dissipating. Satellite imagery. Hond is looking organized, has been weakening, may re-strengthen a little bit before finally weakening and dissipating. Alfred, most of its storms have been sheared to the south, but it will re-strengthen slightly and then turn towards Australia and make landfall there. For our sea surface temperatures, Alfred is in cooler waters, 78 degrees, 78 to 79 degrees, and it gets to the low 80s when you reach the coast of Australia. Hond is in 81-degree waters, so they're both in about the same, not really enough to sustain or strengthen a tropical cyclone. There are 90 days until June 1st, which is the start of the Atlantic hurricane season. Okay, I know this isn't what my channel is for, but I did want to touch on this. The severe weather threat over the next 2 days, today and tomorrow, is enhanced. For today, the tornado threat is 10%. This is within 25 miles of a certain area in this area. If it had hatched, that would mean 10% probability of EF2 to EF5. Tomorrow, the enhanced area is much larger than today. Today's enhanced risk was just upgraded an hour or so ago. For the tornado risk, it's 10% hatched, like down in Mobile, Alabama, and Jackson, Mississippi, Alexandria, Louisiana, Shreveport, Louisiana, and then just regular 10% in Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, and Oklahoma. 5% in New Orleans, Dallas, Birmingham, and then 2% all over the rest of the area. On Wednesday, it's a slight risk in Charlotte, Columbia, Charleston, Savannah, Wilmington, Raleigh, Richmond, Virginia Beach, Baltimore, and Washington, all very populated areas. You can't see the tornado risk this far out, but it'll probably be there, and this may even get upgraded. And then the fire threat, the extreme fire threat right now for today is huge in Texas and Mexico. It's the biggest area I've ever seen it. So that is something to look out for. And tomorrow it is also extreme. It's a pretty big area as well. And it does reach into Austin and San Antonio. So those are both populated areas that will be under an extreme fire condition. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and see ya.